Wipeout.
Oh, we gonna play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, yeah, I can go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on the
Double
show. I know that
takedown.
I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words, so tasty hate me. Better find fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me. No, I ain't society. I
Triple takedown.
my mind's hazy, and I'm so
Wipeout.
my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up. I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance. Take it now. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, hey. You'll be fine, hey. Just take your time, hey. Enjoy the climb, hey. Enjoy the grind, hey. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, hey. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't take it, don't just take it, yo. Put someone to break it, take control, they don't just fake it, hey. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah.